You can't get to her.
Hey, you can reach the front door.
Can we pull her out? Pull the truck up or something?
Well, so we have enough tow ropes.
Tow ropes.
We could attempt to flip it over.
What's that?
We have enough tow ropes. Seat belt off. It's an electronic seat. We can't roll it back. Doors open. How about we boot the truck all together?
There, the door's open. Yeah, a lot of us called. They're on their way.
Right there, right here.
She's right underneath the water there, in the front seat.
Probably not.
Probably not. She's been there for like since we got.
She's been there for about 2 minutes. Probably more than that.
Yeah.
It feels like it, but I don't. It feels like 2, but I don't think it's been. You're cut? Okay. We gotta open this a lot more. Yeah.
There was only one passenger that we know of. Oh my god. When I was coming around the corner, I just saw her just flying right in there.
She's even inside. She might not even be there.
Oh yeah, she's in there, but she's on the other side. Eh?
We can't split that truck together. Everybody together. Too much water in it by now. Where's that knife?
Get the knife. You need your knife, buddy. Fleming, right across from Fleming. Fleming's right there.
Is that street?
Yeah, Fleming Street right there. There, she's out.
Let's get her up on top of her. Do some yard work. Let's go. She's bubbling. Hurry up. I'm stuck. She's breathing. She's gonna freeze though. You gotta get her somewhere warm.
Get right here. Over here.
Yeah, go get her
Guys,
some.
you need to pull it right out.
Here, put her on the bike.